Having a healthy eating habit is important for a number of reasons. First and foremost, a healthy diet can help to provide the body with the necessary nutrients to function properly. This includes vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. When the body is properly nourished, it can perform at its best and help to prevent chronic diseases such as obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, a healthy diet can help to maintain a healthy weight. Consuming too many calories or not getting enough nutrients can lead to weight gain, while a diet that is balanced and nutrient-dense can help to control weight and promote weight loss when necessary. We will be discussing some simple life hacks for eating food that will lead to healthier eating habits. Make sure to watch until the end so you will not miss any of the information on the list. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 1. Plan your meals in advance. Planning your meals in advance can make you more mindful of healthier food choices. This can involve taking the time to think through what you want to eat for the week, making a grocery list, and then shopping for the ingredients you need. Planning in advance can help you avoid last-minute decisions, which can lead to impulse purchases and unhealthy food choices. Planning ahead can also help you save money and reduce food waste. Number 2. Use smaller plates. Using smaller plates can be a simple but effective way to control portion sizes and avoid overeating. The smaller plate can give the illusion of a larger portion size, which can help to make you feel more satisfied with the food you are eating. This can also be a great way to make sure you are not eating more than you need, which can help you maintain a healthy weight. Number 3. Buy healthy snacks. Keeping healthy snacks readily available can be a great way to avoid reaching for unhealthy options when you're feeling peckish. This can include fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Having healthy snacks on hand can make it easy to grab something nutritious when you are on the go or when you are feeling hungry between meals. This can also help to satisfy your cravings and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Number 4. Don't just gulp down your food. Using a timer can be a simple way to help you slow down and savor your food. Eating your meals quickly can lead to overeating, as your brain may not have time to register that you are full. A timer can help you to slow down and pay attention to the food you are eating, allowing you to better enjoy your meals and feel full faster. Number 5. Drink water. Drinking water before meals can help to curb your appetite and prevent overeating. It will make you feel more full, which in turn makes you eat less. Drinking water will also keep you hydrated, which can improve digestion and overall health. Additionally, having a glass of water before eating can help to make your meals more enjoyable, as it can make the flavors of the food you're eating more pronounced. Number 6. Measure your food intake. Using a food scale or measuring cups can be a simple and effective way to accurately measure portion sizes and ensure you are not overeating. This can be especially helpful for foods that are difficult to eyeball, such as pasta or rice, as well as for measuring out snacks and desserts. By using a food scale or measuring cups, you can have a better idea of how much you are actually eating and make sure you are not consuming more than you need. Number 7. Home-cooked meals. Cooking at home more often can give you more control over the ingredients and portion sizes of your meals. When you prepare your own food, you can choose healthier ingredients and better control the amount of salt, sugar, and fats you are consuming. Cooking at home also allows you to experiment with new recipes and flavors, which can make meals more enjoyable and satisfying. Number 8. Get a slow cooker. Using a slow cooker can be a great way to prepare meals in advance, so you have healthy and convenient options on hand. Slow cookers are great for cooking soups, stews, and casseroles, as well as for preparing large cuts of meat and vegetables. Number 9. Buy nutrient-dense foods. Making sure to include a variety of nutrient-dense foods in your diet can help you get the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients your body needs to function properly. Number 10. Don't eat in front of screens. Finally, you should avoid eating in front of screens, such as televisions or phones. This will help you to be more mindful of what you are eating and can help to prevent overeating. That's all, folks. That is our list of thoughtful eating life hacks that will make you healthier. If you have other eating life hacks, or if you have some concerns about the video, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. Cheers!